Welcome back to this Fantaskool tutorial. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how teachers can apply to teach through the Fantaskool platform. Let's get started. To apply, a teacher must first access the Fantaskool platform. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. If this is your first time visiting the platform, go to On the homepage. Click on the My Account button. You will then be prompted to create an account. When the registration interface appears, select the option Teacher to apply as an educator on the platform. After selecting Teacher, click Continue. You will then be directed to the account creation page. At this stage, you have two options. Click Continue with Google for a faster registration process or manually. Enter your details including your first name, last name, email address, and password to create your account. Once your account is successfully created and you are logged in, navigate to the sidebar menu and click on Career. From there, select Job Board. A new page will display all current teaching vacancies available on the platform. To learn more about a specific opportunity, click the View button. This will allow you to review the job description and requirements in detail. If you are interested in the position, simply click the Apply button located at the top left of the page to submit your application. Fantaskool makes the application process simple, transparent, and accessible, connecting qualified teachers with the right opportunities. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more Fantaskool training videos.